And then the other style of fence is called just vinyl fencing. I don't have a sample with me here, but white vinyl fencing is another really common selection. But vinyl fencing comes in many styles. There's a style that has vertical balusters along the top, or lattice. It comes in 3, 4, 5, and 6 foot heights, and sometimes we use tan or beige. That's all up to the client and what they select. But the most commonly manufactured items are going to be the most cost effective. So white vinyl is going to be more cost effective than beige, for example, because the beige isn't manufactured in as large of batches. So those are your options for the most part with fencing. There are some other unique fences out there as far as designs and styles, but for the most part, this is what we're installing probably 95% of the time. And so if you have any questions on these styles or what your options might be for fencing in your yard, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help.